So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create content fast and in bulk. And basically what you'll be able to do is create tons and tons of reels and short form video in lightning speed. All right, so first you want to go over to ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to act as a credit expert and create 20 quotes about how to get good with credit. And that's exactly what it did. So as you can see, it spit out all of this great content, but it spit it out with like lines in between and numbers. So I asked it to redeliver the content with no spaces, right? And that's what it did. So I copied the information and I pasted it over into a Google Sheet. And pretty much what I did was I just pasted it over. I just copied it and pasted, but then I added a column B. I opened up the quotes because when it copies and pastes, it's going to be a little bit squished up. So I opened up the columns and I added another column with a call to action, which is like, comment, subscribe, or follow for more great tips. So once I did this, I saved the file and then I actually downloaded it. And what you want to do is make sure you download it as a CSV file. So now that it's downloaded to my computer, what I'm going to do is head on over to Canva. And once we get to Canva, what we want to do is click on social media and we want to create a reel. And it, like once you actually click on social media, some of the top things are going to come up. So what we want to do here is I'm going to use this template, this nice blue scenery. And it's actually pretty long, so I may just want to make it like 10 seconds instead of the whole 15 seconds. And there's two pieces of content. So you have a name here, and what I'm going to do with this piece of content is I'm going to pull it down, and what I'm going to do with this piece of content is I'm going to pull it up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do also is make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to make it in a Montserrat font because that's pretty much what I've been using a lot, and it's kind of easier to read and easier to see. I'll make this a little bit bigger, and I'm also going to change this to Montserrat, right? So now that I have that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to bulk create. Right, so on the left navigation bar of Canva, believe it or not, the bulk create feature is there. So now that I have everything copied over, I'm just going to upload the data, and as you can see, if you have a CSV file, you can do that. So I'm going to upload my sheet, and then I'm going to come over here. You see the information is uploaded. I'm going to come over here to this particular part of the text, click on the three dots. I want to click connect the data, and I want to connect it with the first quote, and then I'm going to come down here to the three dots, and I'm going to click on connect data again. And now I want the call to action, and now it's there. I want to click continue, and it generated the designs, and now I want to click generate the designs, or it generated the quotes, and then I want to click generate the designs. Now the designs have been generated, and I want to click view in folder. Now I can come over here and click on the bulk creation, which looks pretty good, right? So you can click on play, and you see it says getting good with credit starts with one habit: paying on time every time. Like, comment, or subscribe for more great tips. And then it goes to the next one. A good credit score isn't luck, it's a lifestyle of smart financial decisions. This is awesome. So now you may be thinking, okay, that's great. They're all lined up. How do I get them as separate files, separate reels? You just come over here to share. You want to click download, and it's, you can click pages 1 through 19, but you want to click on download as separate files. Then you want to click download, and voila, you're done. You've bulk created reels.